Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about array indexing and reshaping of array. So as usual, let's start by importing the NumPy library like this. Import NumPy as np and run the cell. First, I'm going to start by creating a one-dimensional array quickly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So array slicing is all about extracting a subset of an entire array. Say this is an entire array with values 1 to 5. Say I want the values from 2 to 4. I want just these three values from this entire array. So what I can do is I can do something like within the square bracket, I'm going to mention the index value of 2, which is 1, and the index value of 5, which is 4. You might ask me a question. You told me that you want to extract value from 2, 3, and 4, but why are you specifying the value, index value of 5 here? So let me explain it. Whatever value you specify here will not be added to the subset. So if you specify 4, it will only take till 4. Let me explain it with the diagram. As you can see here, we have an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And see this example particularly, it says 2 is to 5, which means this is the index number 2 and this is index number 5. The slice will always comes before the index value. So here is the 2, slice will come here, and so here is the 5, here is the slice. So we get this value in between. That's how it works. So if I specify 4 and run the cell, I'm going to get 2, 3, and 4. I hope you understood how slicing works. Now I'm also going to teach you a trick. Say I want to reverse this entire array. Some might already know this, but let me, tell people who might not know this. So if I want to reverse this entire array, I can do a double colon and minus one. And if I run this, I get a reversed array. Now you know how to slice a one-dimensional array. Now let's move on to two-dimensional ones. So I'm going to create a two-dimensional array quickly like this with values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So what I want to extract is I want to extract 6, 7, 8, and 11, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to go and the square bracket. So first I need to slice the row. So I want the values in these two rows. So what I can do now is just one is so the last row is this, so I don't have to specify any ending value here, and I can place a comma. And now I need to slice the column. So I want from this, right, from this. So I will do something like 1 is to, it's the same thing. Let's run this. Wait a minute. Sorry. I have to do like this because it's a two-dimensional array. I forgot to mention that. My bad. Now you can see we got a slice of 6, 7, 8, and 10, 11. Let me also show you this in a diagram. Yeah, here it is. This is a 2D array, and I'm slicing from, I want this two rows, the first two rows. So I specify colon 2, which gives me the first two rows and makes a slice like this. And in the column, I want all the column after the index value of 1. So there will be a slice before the index value of 1 in the column section. And I get all these values right here. That's how this works. And you can also reverse a 2D array as we did for the 1D array in a similar manner. -1, but you have to do it twice because this will reverse all the rows and this one will reverse all the columns. Now, if I run this, I get a completely reversed 2D array. Now, let's move on to reshape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to reshape. I will teach you the reshape, and in between that, I will teach you how to slice a three-dimensional array as well. So when it comes to reshape, uh, let me tell you what reshape is all about is you can convert a one-dimensional array to a two-dimensional array and vice versa. Let me, create an array like this and p dot. I'm going to use arrange this time and I'm going to give value of 10. So as you all know, this will give me an array of 0 to 9, which is so which this array has 10 values. So logically, I can reshape this array into a 5 comma 2 matrix. And let me print this. So we got 10 values. So logically, we can reshape this into 5 comma 2, or we can do a 2 comma 5. But we cannot do a 3 comma 3 because say we got the first three and the second three like this and the third three, there will be one value left out. So there is no possibility for us to do a 3 comma 3 matrix. There is only two possibilities like this. So now what we have done is we have converted a one-dimensional array to a two-dimensional array using reshape. Now let me convert a one-dimensional array to a three-dimensional array. So I'm going to create another array like this, a range of, I'm going to give values like, let's say 30 and dot reshape. So it's a three-dimensional array. So we need to think about it. How can we divide 30 into a three-dimensional array? First, if I give 3, there will be 10 elements in the first 10, 10. So 3, then I can do, we have 10 elements in the beginning, right? So I can do 5 comma 2 and here 4 will give me something like this. So this is the first 3 depth and I got 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I got 2 values in each of the rows. Now we have converted a one-dimensional array into a three-dimensional array using reshape, but it should be logical. Okay, as I have already told you in this example. So let's slice this three-dimensional array. Let's slice the three-dimensional array. So say I want this two things. I want this two values. So I'm going to go here and do something like, so I want these values, right? I want only this value. So I'm going to specify index value as 1 is to 2. If I specify 2 here, this will not be counted and this will also not be counted. Now I'm accessing only this comma. Now I want only this 2 rows in this depth. So what I can do is the index value of this one is 0. The index value of this one is 1. So I'm going to specify index value as 2 is 2. The index value of this is 2 and this is 3. This is 4. So I'm going to place 4 and I want these two values, right? I want these two values fully. So I'm going to do a colon and that's it. I got the value that I needed. I hope you learned about array slicing and reshaping of array. And in the next video, we will learn array concatenation and array splitting. Thank you.